Hi guys, welcome back to my humble workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to straighten the guitar's fretboard and replace old frets with a set of new ones. So what is the problem? Why it's necessary to do such kind of work on this guitar? The guitar is very old and it has been played a lot. So here we have quite deep pits in the fretboard itself as well as in the frets. Moreover, there is a hump here. You know, sometimes when wood is drying, it shrinks. And since we have quite a big block here, it shrinks less than parts around it. So this problem leads to buzzing sound when you play the guitar, pressing strings in these frets. Sometimes it's easy to fix this problem just to cut top parts of the frets and then crown the frets and then level them, polish, and that's it. But here I'm going to do this more complicated kind of job that is usually done with quite expensive guitars. So today I'm going to show you the whole process. So let's get started. Let's remove all the frets from here. Look at the frets, how deep the pits are. The guitar has been played very much. So done. Well, now I removed all the pits, straightened the fretboard, Look if you can see. I'm going to show it to you. Almost. Need some more cutting off here. Let's see now. A little bit more. Well, now that's it. Now we need to deepen the slots for the frets. Let's now make the edges sit flat with the fretboard. Now a fine file. So now our frets sit flush with the fretboard, but their edges are still sharp. You don't want to cut your hand when playing the guitar, or do you? Well, to make them blunt, let's use a small file. This one I wouldn't recommend to use because it has working surface on each side. I'd rather use this one. It's smooth here and only one part is a working surface. So let's now carefully sharpen all the edges. It's important to use this type of file to make sure you don't damage the fretboard. Let's now make the fret surface smooth with fine sandpaper. Number 800. Number 2000. It already looks very smooth, but I'll now polish the frets. I use this nail polisher for the purpose. Now, as you can see, the frets are shiny, like a mirror. Now you can see the result. So we've completed this task. The fretboard looks shiny. You can see it's now level, flat. The edges are not sharp, very smooth. Let me take off my glove to check it with bare skin. Yes, very comfortable. So that's it. We've completed the task. Hope it was interesting to watch. Let me know in the comment section if you like such kind of videos. Hope to see you in my next projects. Let's take another look at the result. And oh guys, take care. Bye bye. See you later.